Guys, Axial just dropped their latest off-road crawler, the 1-to-10 scale SCX10 III Base Camp 1982 Chevy K10 4x4 RTR. This is a particularly great rig if you missed out on the Axial Proline 40th Anniversary Limited Edition 1982 Chevy K10. The Base Camp has the same body as the Anniversary Edition and is much more affordable at $449.99 compared to $599.99. But wait, is this crawler the exact same as its predecessor? Is it worth getting? And with so many crawlers out there, is this the right one for you? Should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReviewed.com. Here at RC Reviewed, we do all the groundwork and research on the latest RCs and upgrades, so that you don't have to. There's no need to watch video after video, read through exhaustive spec pages, or scour countless forums. Our review videos summarize everything you need to know to make the right decision. So watch till the end as we count down the top 7 crawl features of the Base Camp K10 you must know before buying. And guys, watch this video and win your free RC. Stick around till the end and we'll let you know how. Winning an RC has never been more easier, and who doesn't want a free RC? So don't miss out. Now, let's pick the winner of our 1,000 subscriber draw. A big congratulations to Aaron Putman on winning our 1,000 subscriber draw. You win the Losi Mini 2.0. Remember to watch till the end to win your free RC at our next draw. Let's get into the top 7 crawl features of the Base Camp K10. Number 7. Body and scale detail. Even casual automotive enthusiasts instantly recognize the Chevy K10 pickup. Although its straight-lined appearance earned it the square body nickname, the iconic truck was also among the first CK generations to be optimized by computers and wind tunnels for lower drag and improved fuel economy. The result was a beautiful and rugged, classic iconic body style that has now been carried on to the Axial Base Camp K10 body. The officially licensed Proline Chevy K10 step-side body comes expertly factory painted, detailed, and captures the instantly recognizable square body lines of the iconic truck. Axial matches the accurate scale looks with equally impressive durability and performance. Number 6. Suspension. Offered in a proven ready-to-run package, the Base Camp K10 is easy to get going and goes almost anywhere, just like the full-size truck, which could be found driving over country roads, farm fields, and wooded trails before ending the day parked on a main street. Designed more for Americana-inspired off-road fun, the Base Camp K10 is ideal for anyone. It's a great first crawler and a fantastic addition to every longtime Axial fan's fleet. The front suspension geometry of the Base Camp K10 is optimized to reduce bump steer, while the rear forelink reduces torque twist. The oil-filled shocks have aluminum-threaded bodies and a single coil-over spring. The shocks are tunable for achieving the best dampening rate. All links and pivot balls are metal for durable, long-lasting performance. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. By subscribing, you stand a chance to win your free RC in our subscriber giveaways. We'll let you know how you can win at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Liking and subscribing also helps our channel grow and helps us bring you more content like this, so please support us. Number 5. Chassis. Strong and stiff, the SCX10 III steel C-channel chassis reduces frame flexing and increases the precision of the suspension movement. This is great when maneuvering tough technical terrain, which tends to twist your rig's frame and throw it out of balance. With the Base Camp K10 C-channel chassis, you'll always be stable no matter what the trail throws at you. The C-channel chassis is easily accessible and easy to maintain and clean, which is good for moving any loose twigs, leaves, and mud, which may get stuck while going deep into the trail. The Base Camp comes factory fitted with the tried and tested AR45 portal axles, which provide extra ground clearance at the differential for easier off-road maneuvering. No more getting stuck on the terrain when obstacles come your way. Number 4. Transmission. The Base Camp K10 comes with the SCX10 four-wheel drive transmission. This transmission is known for its durability, simplicity, and for how well it works with both standard and portal axles. The gears of this transmission mesh perfectly and work seamlessly to deliver just the right amount of torque and punch to get you over any steep climb or incline on the trail. The transmission of the K10 includes a full set of ball bearings and is factory fitted with all metal internal gears for the highest strength and durability. Number 3. Power System. The included and installed power system of the Base Camp K10 features a Dynamite 35-turn brushed motor and a Spectrum 40-amp brushed ESC. This is a great motor ESC combo for crawlers, and we're so happy that the K10 comes with it. With this simple and reliable combo, you'll spend more time on the trail and less time on maintenance. Guys, let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 2. Radio System. The Base Camp K10 comes with a Spectrum SCX10 3-channel radio, which provides dependable 2.4 GHz control, plus user-adjustable features, including steering and throttle trims, steering rate, and throttle limits. The included Spectrum SR315 DSMR 3-channel sport receiver allows for an easy upgrade path to higher channel transmitters, such as the Spectrum DX5C, DX5 Rugged, or the DX5 Pro. Number 1. Tires and wheels. The new 4.19-inch Falcon Wild Peak MT R35 compound tires on one-piece Raceline 928 monster wheels included with the Base Camp K10 provide optimized ground clearance and maximum grip on dirt, rocks, and all other off-road trails. You're never going to need any other tire or wheel combo for the K10. So now that you know the top 7 crawl features of the Base Camp K10, should you buy it? Well, with its true-to-scale rugged American body and scale detail, superior suspension, built-to-last chassis, expert-built transmission, crawler-based high-torque power system, trusted and dependable Spectrum radio system, and most importantly, its latest tires and wheels built for optimized ground clearance and maximum grip make the Axial SCX10 III Base Camp K10 the best crawler you can own and a fantastic addition to every longtime Axial fan's fleet. So, if you haven't already, rush to get your Base Camp K10 today. If you've liked this video and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And guys, as promised, here's how you can win your free RC. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Step 2. Let us know in the comments which feature from the video you like the most. Step 3. Watch this video till the end and let us know the number 1 feature. Fill in your answer and enter the draw at rcreview.com/win. It's as simple as that. And remember to follow us on Instagram at rcreviewed_YouTube to know if you win. All winners are announced live on Instagram and our social pages. So now that you know the top 7 crawl features of the Base Camp K10, click below to know about the latest low-C motocross bike and its secret upgrades no one else knows about. Until now.